Alright everybody, here's the inside of the RC car. Got the battery charged up here. It comes with all kinds of replacement parts and wrenches, as you can kind of see here in the bag with a little screwdriver. Screwdriver's probably not that good. I would use another different type of screwdriver that would definitely not strip out, but came with a lot of cotter pins. Takes 4 cotter pins to hold the body on. Put the spoiler on. So the battery's all charged up. Plug it in like so. Right, and then I have already paired the remote control, which is very easy to do. All you do is turn both on, the car on, and you can tell because the lights flash, and the controller, and once the red light is solid, you know that the pairing is complete. So we'll go ahead and set the body on. The sucker's quick, and so that is the steering and then the throttle. Since I like to have it all in the neutral position, I don't want to reverse it. So I've got the speed about on half. So that's about halfway. We'll go ahead and turn the throttle all the way down, so you can just see. So that's on the slowest setting. It's very easy to drive. I think my son's going to be able to drive it just fine. He's 12, and I look forward to my daughter being able to drive it as well. She'll be 9. So, but not so much. So it slows it down quite a bit in the grass. But let's go ahead and turn it up all the way to 10. So the steering is very responsive, and then you can see it really go. It can do slides, and it's got the horsepower to take it. And I don't really know what the range is on it, but yeah. So overall, I really like this little thing. For the $85 that it costs, you can't really beat it. Especially getting into this hobby. Now, so yeah, that's my. And it can go through on the highest setting. It goes pretty good through the grass, and just do some spins. I will say the one thing I saw about on the instructions are very good about putting it together. It also has a schematic of the drivetrain and the underneath side of the remote control car, and it also gives you the part numbers to do replacements. So when you do wreck it, you can get you some replacement parts to put it back together. It comes with 2 batteries Takes about 3 hours to charge each battery. Again, for the $80, can't beat it. Hope you all enjoy.
Got the Holyton 110 scale. Got the nephew riding it. She handles pretty good. Running really well. It's on its second battery. Cool bright LED lights. She's got a great front bumper. See, this guy can't drive. Alright, go ahead. Hit that jump. Don't hit the gas till you get up to it, and then hammer down.